my house. Let me see you.
I shall go and come. My journey shall be smooth. I shall go and come. My journey shall be smooth. You can never stop me. My journey shall be smooth. Let what I do give me happiness that has no bounds. Let it upset my enemies. Those who say I will not see with my eyes, let them lose their own.
Mama.
Adam.
Mama. I knew you would visit me soon.
Mama, how are you?
I need not ask. You look younger by the day. So how is work? Work is perfect. And they just promoted me. I'm not surprised. I told you it will happen, didn't I? Yes, you did, Mama. But that's not all. Tell me. One of the prominent young men in my company wants to marry me. Wants to marry me? Yes. Wants to marry you? Yes. Wants... His name is Obinna, and he's from Akokwa. Akokwa? Yes, Mama. He's one of the prominent young men in my company. The company actually gave him a scholarship to go to Canada and study. And he wants to marry me before he goes. Hey! Hey! This young man, he must have a bright future, Mama. Bright future. His future is extremely bright. He's dazzling like a diamond. I can't wait to be his wife, Mama. I can't wait. Hey, so when is he coming to see us? I'm supposed to go and see his mother tomorrow. His mother is still alive? Yes. And from what I hear, they say she's a good woman. Good woman. Come and see what I got you, Mama. Let me help you. Mama, let me carry it. Happy I can believe. Okay. Happy can believe. I want you to tell me everything about this man. Mama, I told you all there is to tell. I want to hear everything. Everything. I told you he's from Akokwa. Okay. Do you have his picture? Can I see him?
I think I have one of Obina's picture in my box.
Good. Go and bring it. I want to see him.
Okay. Isn't he handsome?
He's handsome. Odegunwoke. That is Obina. I brought his picture so we can look into his future. What do we have to do with his future if it is bright? My daughter deserves a brighter future. If you do this for me, I will reward you very well. He will be a great man. Oh. I can see him traveling overseas. If he comes back, he will become a big shareholder in his company. My daughter deserves a very good position in that company. No? What exactly are you saying? I told you before. I want his destiny turned into Ijeri's and Ijeri's into his. What will be my reward? Don't worry. I won't forget it when the honeycomb delivers sweet sauce. We are going to enjoy it together. I can eat it, uncle. Uima, I will hold you by your words. Thank you. I will tell you what to do tonight. And that will mark the beginning of everything you want. Thank you. Hello. Kambiana basi. Go well. Hello. Hello. Chakati Yinkamakaso Puakis. Hey, look what's wrong. I didn't even know you went out. Adam, Mama, I went to clear the barn for a big harvest.
You went to clear the barn for a big harvest? I don't understand.
You won't understand now, but you will understand later. Nemo! And you will thank me when the time comes.
Are you serious, Mama?
Yes.
I can't wait to thank you.
Oh yeah, Diego. Oh yeah, Diego.
What is it?
Oh yeah, Diego. Oh yeah, Diego. Now, you said she works in the same place with you.
Exactly, Mama. Don't worry. You are going to like her.
Eh.
No doubt. You're sure going to like her.
My son. Why not wait when you come back from Obodo? Yeah, Kiwe Wadofuma.
Mbano, Mama. There's no need for that. Other men will take her away from me before I return. So, let me do the needful. No need for procrastination.
Hey, she must be a very beautiful woman.
Ha, Mama. She is so beautiful. She's got a good heart.
Hey.
Don't worry, Mama. You will love her. Not even liking. You will love her when you see her.
I can't wait to see her.
Don't worry. She's going to be here tomorrow. And from there, we'll go see her people straight up.
Tomorrow, Nkechi?
Nkechi, Nkechi, Mama.
In that case, you have to let your uncle know about her.
Yes,
you know it's important.
Yes, I will go see Uncle tomorrow then. I will go see him tomorrow, yeah.
Do you need some more?
Mama, I'm okay with this one.
Nyanka Yedri.
For Mama the Mama. Ne Mama.
Let me wash the dish.
Obinna.
Yes. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really? Okay. That be fresh meat?
Yes, it's for you.
Or you want Mama to prepare it?
No. I want you to eat it.
To eat it?
Yes.
My love is not cooked.
Love, you can eat it. Go on. Bite. Smile. Smile, Uncle.
Eating roommates. Jerry.
Mama.
I told you he loves me a lot. This time, he will love even your footstep. Whatever you ask him to do, he will do it.
Mama, I hope nothing goes wrong here. I don't want this one to be like Ugo's case.
My child, Ugo was a mistake.
What are you doing?
Keeping you clean for our wedding.
But I just shaved a few days ago.
I know. Well, I'm shaving you again. Lie down.
Okay. I don't think I have hairs there though.
Well, you do.
Okay.
What is going on here? And who are you?
She's keeping me clean for our wedding.
She's keeping you clean for your wedding. Must still be here. Why not do that inside? Eh?
But Mama, there's nothing wrong with her shaving me here. It's our home.
Lie down.
Okay.
Stop it! I said you should stop. Okay. And who are you, Seth? Cable?
I just said she's keeping me clean for the wedding.
My love. My love. Listen. Obinna. 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 Nna kwa ina chiyatazu. Na chiyatazu Obinna. This is dream. Eh? What sort of dream is this? And who is that woman? Eh? Hey. Where?
Oh, baby. The way you talk about this girl, she must really be a good girl.
Madam, this girl is understatement. This girl is everything.
Eh?
She's everything.
Hey.
As you can see, the young man is in love here.
Hey. Love, one ting. Anyways, call me whenever she's around so that I can come and see her. Let me know if she's actually the good girl that you preach.
All right. It's all right. I'll call you.
Okay.
You sit yourself.
Let me start going before my father starts looking for me.
Okay.
I'll come back later. Call me, oh.
All right, sure.
Mama! Mama, I've gone, oh.
My regards to Uncle.
Okay.
Nna, I want to go and roast yam for you. Itini baka mose. You like it?
Mama, have you forgotten I told you Jerry is coming to see you today? So I don't think there is need for yam and baka. I think you should prepare something like rice or even a salad super favorite.
Old age. Okwaranka. It's okay. Let me go to the market and buy meat. Eh?
Mama, you get Jecha market.
Let me prepare salad. Eh? Bukunatia. She will like it. Oh?
Okay, Mama. We need to be fast, eh? She's coming, no. All right.
Mama, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, very ready. Wish me luck.
I don't think you're ready.
Why?
You have to be fully prepared.
Mama, I'm running late.
Come and sit down.
Last time you gave me that thing, when his mother started praying, Ugo's mother, I fainted and they said I was possessed. That was how I lost him, remember?
This time, this one will work. Remember the last one? His mother said Ugo was younger than you are. Remember?
I'm late.
Open your palm. Rub it on your face.
My makeup, just point it.
Do as I say. Now I'm prepared. You are good to go.
Huh?
Let me see it. I have cleansed you. Go and conquer.
Thank you, Mama.
Madam.
Thank you.
Okay. Go. Bye-bye. Ijoma.
Mm-hmm.
Joe for my oh.
Okay, Mama.
Adamo. Yes, oh yes, no guy.
Obi.
Oh, my love. Oh, my love. I've been waiting for you.
Well, I'm here.
Oh,
No, stop.
You're looking flawless. Wait a minute, let me tell you.
Okay.
Mama. 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 She's here.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Stop it! I said you should stop. Okay. And who are you, Seth? With the cable?
I just said she's keeping me clean from the My love. My love, listen.
Obinna! 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 Nna kwa ina chiyatasu! Na chiyatasu Obinna! Welcome. Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
How are you and the people?
My mother, she sends her regards. I have a hug, Mama.
Oh. Don't worry. Mama prepared a very delicious nsala soup. You need to try it.
Really? I
Swear that.
can't wait to taste your food.
Out here, waiting for my queen to come.
Thank you.
I keep wondering what's keeping her, but I'm glad she's here.
Oh.
So how is Mama?
Fine.
Okay. Always looking good and
Stop.
flawless. I'm not stopping.
You're welcome, my daughter. What is your name?
Ijere.
Ijere. That thing, who gave it to you?
Oh, my mother did. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Anything beautiful is beautiful. What is the name?
I don't know.
Mama, come on, you're asking too much questions. She just got here.
It's okay, sweetheart. Don't be jealous. Leave Mama alone.
No, not that I'm jealous, but you know, just taking too much time to serve us with a delicacy. Mama, you have something on the fire.
Can I say for 1 minute? Just 1 minute.
Okay, Mama. I'm coming.
He's coming.
No problem. She has a beautiful face.
Thanks. Just like me.
Yes, just like you.
All right, love. Let me quickly see.
Of course, please go.
Okay. What is it?
Obinna, you see, I was expecting someone younger.
Huh? Oh, Mama, does age really matter in love? I thought what matters is what we feel for each other. That's what counts.
Okay. That's by the way. So tell me, where did you say you meet that girl? Did you see Somalia?
Mama, is there any problems? Because I've told you this before.
Obinna, you've not answered my question. I ask you again, tell me, where did you meet that girl? Could it be Somalia? Or
Mama, bring down your voice, you're shouting.
I'm not shouting.
Okay, I met the girl in my working place. She's a secretary to my boss. Mama, what happened now?
Okay. So, for how long have you known her?
Why all these questions? What's happening? Have you met the girl before?
Yes. I've met her before.
Oh, really? Where?
In my dream. And it's not a good one. Mba, broke with you.
Mama the mama. Mama, come on. It's just a dream. Maybe you're thinking about your daughter-in-law lately. You know, her coming over and all of that. That could be the reason. Please, just stop. It's nothing.
Obinna, I wish that what you just said now is true.
How?
I sense something bad lurking. Listen, I saw that girl in my dream shaving your armpit. Now, and you know what that means.
Just stop. Stop. Just stop. This is ridiculous. How can someone be shaving my armpits? That's just a dream. What are you saying? From being older than I do to seeing her in your dream to my workplace, I don't understand everything you say. I hope all of this is not to tell me not to marry that girl, because it won't be possible.
It's disheartening that at your age, you cannot perceive evil around you. Oh, Cello, don't tell me that you don't perceive smell of charms around her body. Wakem,
Mama, stop! What are you saying? Eh? How can you just dislike someone because of a mad dream? From being older than I am to shaving armpits? What are you saying?
Obinna, I do not hate that girl.
Of course you do. Why would you say someone's daughter has got charms? Why would you say it?
Listen, Obinna. Dreams are revelations.
Mama, Biko, spare me that.
You're raising your voice at me. You're shouting.
Mama, excuse me.
Hey, Obinna, Chelukai Pussy, Chelukai, Obinna, Obinna. Hi.
Oh, hey, you're back.
Yeah. I'm sorry for the delay.
It's nothing. Is everything alright?
Yeah, sure. Everything is alright.
What about Mama?
Oh, she's in the kitchen. She's still trying to get the food ready.
Let me join her.
No, you don't have to, my love. You don't have to. Don't worry, just sit right here. The food will be served pretty soon. Okay?
You think she likes me?
Of course. I mean, which sane mother-in-law would not like a beautiful daughter-in-law like you?
Are you sure? No. You sure know how to tease a girl.
Just like I know the 3 T's.
What are 3 T's?
Teasing, talking, touching.
You are crazy. Get away.
I'm not going anywhere.
I love you.
And I love you more than you do. Don't worry. Honestly, Mama, I just don't like what you did today. That was ridiculous. Eh? I understand that some mothers get jealous when their son is about to get married. But yours was just overboard. How could you just dislike someone because you saw her in your dreams? Who does that?
Obinna. Ask her where she got that talisman on her neck from.
So you also saw the talisman in your dreams? Is that what you're trying to say now?
Obinna, one day you're not going to make jest of this day. You may have a rethink about marrying that girl. Yes.
Well, Mama, it is late already because I am going to Dale Zozie's house right away to discuss about my marriage plans with Ijere.
Ijere? What the name?
Of course. It's a beautiful name. You said it. What is beautiful is beautiful. You said that, Mama. And I will also tell Dale Zozie that my mother doesn't want me getting married to my dream girl.
Obinna, my dream has never been in vain.
Mama, please keep your dreams to yourself.
said you want us to go and do the marriage right this weekend.
Exactly, Uncle.
How much do you know about this girl?
2 years now. She's my colleague in my workplace.
Oh, I see.
And besides, Uncle, I will be traveling to Canada very soon. Just very, very soon for a year program. So I want to do the necessary thing now to enable me to concentrate when I get there. Yes, Uncle. Mama, can you honestly tell me why you're doing this? Why have you decided to ruin my happiness?
Obinna, I have said what I have to say as your mother, and I am not ready to change my mind. You should be grateful that God revealed something like us in the dream.
How can God reveal my unhappiness to you? How's that possible? God wants me to be happy.
Obinna, I am going to Mama Nkechi's house to get something. If I were you, I would go inside, relax, rest, and think like a man. You know, good?
What is wrong with my mother? Eh? Or is this old age?
I don't understand. Did you see any mark on her body?
I saw her in my dream a day before she visited. And in that dream, she was shaving Obinna's armpits. And not just that, the very day she came to the house, there was this smell of charms around her.
You mean you saw her in the dream a night before she came?
Yes.
Have you met her before?
I have not. That is the problem. That's why I'm worried. Because I've not met her before.
Hey, I know it is a bad omen shaving a man's hair in the dream. But Obinna said he knows her very well. They work in the same place.
Obrodi Sonkao, that very day she came to the house, she was wearing Ntakile's talisman around her neck.
Ntakile.
And
can you recognize one if you see?
Have you forgotten? The day your wife was confessing about their ordeal, she said that it was that Ntakile that they use in manipulating people.
Hey, that means if what you saw is real, then there is trouble. We have to talk to Obinna. Hi. Man.
Papa, what Mama Obinna said, it is true. Yes, Papa, there's something fetish about that lady.
In that case, what baffles me most is that she said she saw her with a symbol of witchery. Could that be true?
It could be true. You know, Mama Obinna does not lie. Do you know she said she saw that lady shaving Obinna's armpits in her dream? Papa, that's not ordinary. That's a revelation now. Do you need somebody to tell you that? No, that lady is fetish.
Well, I need to talk to Obinna.
Then you have to do it very fast. We don't have time. We can't allow the poor boy to take a wrong decision now. No, we can't allow that to Papa.
Okay, I have heard you. Meanwhile, go and check the food you left on fire.
Papa, I've moved it already. It's down already.
Okay, go and get me some to eat. Who is in this house? So?
Uncle, I was even coming to your place. You know we forgot to talk about palm wine.
Obinna,
Uncle,
we need to talk. We need to ask questions about it.
Which questions again? You've asked me before, I've explained. What do you mean questions?
Obi, I don't need to know where she comes from. If they are clean, or if they have madness, a cause, epilepsy in their family.
I see. My mother has spoken to you, right? She has spoken to you about her dreams. But what I didn't believe is that you of all people that you're going to believe her. How can you believe such a fairy tale, Uncle? How?
Obi, we wouldn't want any bad thing to happen. I know your mother. She's not the type that will cook up such story.
It's alright, Uncle. But it will interest you to know that it is too late. Don't worry, don't follow me. No, it's okay. I'll just go out there and pay some men to follow me to my in-laws' place. That's all. Don't follow me. Believe my mother.
What a name. Eh? What kind of name is that? Obina, listen to me. I can only follow you if you ask questions about their family. And if they are clean.
What do you mean if they are clean? Eh? If they are clean, how? Is our own family clean? Eh, Uncle? Which family is even clean in this world? No family is clean. All the families you're seeing, they've got issues. Both the rich and the poor. What do you mean clean?
Obina, I am not here to exchange words with you. I have done what I needed to do as your father's surviving brother.
It's okay.
No problem.
So bad. Can you imagine? Every time Mama will just be going around telling people. I just don't know why Mama is doing that. I just can't explain. And when did my mother become Joseph the Dreamer? That me, Obina, I don't know of. My mother is fond of dreaming. She can dream anyhow. We all know that, Uncle.
Obina, if you have not heard, we have the gift of seeing and soothsaying in our family. When your mother was young, she saw in her dream that my wife had twins, and it came to pass.
Very good. But why didn't she dream on time and tell me not to marry this girl? After I have fallen in love with her and we've agreed to marry, then she's now coming up with her dreams. Who does that? Will you be happy if someone do that to your own daughter? Eh? After promising her marriage, then all of a sudden he will come up to tell her it's not possible because of dreams.
What a little child cannot see while sitting on top of the hero, an elder will see it even while sitting on a dwarf seat.
Honestly, I don't know why you people love this adage very well. Every time when an elder sits, what is seen, Hero could...
Keep quiet, Obina! I am still talking! What your mother is saying is simple, and I am in total support of it. I want you to go and ask questions about the family, about the young lady you want to marry, because your mother saw some evil signs.
Uncle, just stop. Just stop. There is nothing to ask. There is absolutely nothing to ask. As a matter of fact, I've made up my mind. I am going for her marriage right in the next few days. In the next few days, though, if you like, don't accompany me. No problem. Take the wine I brought you.
Do not say I did not want you.
Okay, you don't want the wine.
I don't need it.
You don't need the wine?
Yes.
What's going on? Why are you frustrating my life? Eh? Is it now a crime to get married? Eh? Is it now a crime to get married? Why are you frustrating me? From my mother to even you I trusted. I should go with my drink. Okay, I know what to do. I know what to do.
Obinna, if you ask me, I would advise you to do as your mother said.
I mean, I'm sorry, you're now one of them.
Mbano, this is not being one of them.
That is what it is. You're now one of them.
Mbano. Okay, let me ask you. That time that you wanted to travel with Ekene to Malaysia, when your mother advised you against it, didn't the plane crash?
Yes.
Okay.
True. God save me.
Okay. Last year when I wanted to get married, it was your mother that saved me. Yes. When that stupid, what was that boy now? Carefire? Polycarp.
Yes.
It was your mother that told me she saw him in a dream and warned me against him. I accepted. Do you know what happened?
Of course I know the story. I know the story, Eminem. What are you saying? Polycarp was a thief.
Yeah.
Polycarp was street cred. How can you compare Polycarp to Jerry? What are you saying?
Nobody is comparing them. I'm not saying she's a thief.
So why are you calling Polycarp and Jerry? How does that relate?
Obinna, ask yourself some questions. Say the truth. Tell me the truth. Have you not had any dream about that girl? Say the truth. No, let's be sincere here. Leave sentiment aside. Say the truth. You have? You see?
I mean, I'm trying to understand where the dream talk is going to. Of course, every man dreams of the woman he loves. It's normal. And I've been dreaming of her, yes. What about it?
Obinna, we love you. We cannot lie to you.
And I love you people too. And I cannot lie to you.
Let me ask you, Eminem. Will you be the one to live with her when I marry her?
Yeah. Because I'm tired of talking, I beg. It seems you're under a spell. What is it now?
Did you just say I'm under a spell? Eminem, did you just say I'm under a spell?
Please, I'm going home. I beg. I just pray you come back to your senses because this is not the Obinna I know. I just hope you come back to your senses someday.
Just stop.
My love, something is bothering you, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm just scared.
Scared of what?
I'm just scared. I mean, I'll be leaving this country soon. And I'm staying for the whole year. I mean...
I get you now. Scared that you're going to travel and someone else will come and marry you.
Of course.
It shouldn't be. We've talked about this before. After our marriage, I'm your wife forever. I'll wait. And I'll be good. I promise. Besides, when are you coming to see my people?
I'm coming on Saturday.
My mom really wants to meet you.
Of course. In that case, I'm coming tomorrow to see her then.
Awesome. So, can we go and swim now?
Yeah, but then my village people are not so, keen with strangers.
What is that? You stand there and watch me swim. I mean, they...
Okay.
Are you alright?
We said that together. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm alright now. I'm okay.
Glad you are. Let's go.
Okay.
I feel he's hiding something from me. My mind tells me his mother does not like me. Whether his mother likes you or not, Obinna is yours. I have looked into his future. He's a great man. And we will never allow him to slip away. Never. Never. Whatever it is you intend to do, you have to do fast. Don't you trust your mother again? I trust you, but I'm worried, my dear. You don't have to be worried. Everything will work out the way you envision it on your head. Nemo! Adamoma! Don't you think you should also do something about his mother? Yeah. When I said everything will work out the way you envision it on your head, you think I was joking? I wasn't joking. Oh. You see, this battle, it's not yours. It's mine. Nemo! Nemo, you are equal to 2 men. Hey, you can say that. You see, you're being a parent. You don't even know when to get your tap. Now I can eat because I'm hungry. Adamo, who can bend your food? I'll get to your food. Okay. Who died there? Hey, I'm not the bad.
My friend, please, take those woods out of the road. I want to pass. Huh? Ah! I am not your friend. Second, where are you going to? Where I'm going to is none of your business now. Just take those woods out of the road. I see you walk. I think use and go and buy some.
Ah! Take away your stupid money. Do you know that you're stupid? Yes. Do you know that I know where you're going to? Oh, you don't know. Do you know that I know that you eat from the pot of a witch? Ah. Do you know that if you don't go back now, your life will be useless from this day onward? Useless. It's your own life that will be useless.
What am I even saying? Look at useless calling someone useless.
Useless, useless, useless. I see this movie again, I'll break your head. Useless. 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 Useless.
Useless. Useless. Useless. Useless. Useless. Useless. Thank God you be useless. Thank God you be useless. Hey, useless. Useless. Thank God you be 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 useless. You be useless.
She's inside. Call. Mama! Hey! Is this Obinna? Yes, this is Obinna. Yeah. How is your mom?
She's fine. She's fine.
Hey.
She's well, Mama.
You're welcome. Oh, look at here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Come inside. Let's go inside.
No. I'm okay here, Mama. I'm very okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, my love. The heat is much, so
Mama, get him to sit down. Okay.
Mama.
No.
Fine.
Hey. Sit down, please.
Okay.
Go and get it. Okay, Mama. Hey, Nna. You're lucky. You're lucky just like my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Two of you match each other.
Thank you, Mama.
No, let me join her in the kitchen.
Okay.
So get something for
Okay, okay.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Oh, very okay, man.
Man, you're welcome. Hey!
Beats on the toe. How can you have beats on the toe?
Mama, go and give him water to wash and let me bring the food. Okay.
I wish I can eat good food like this every day. Every day I wake up, I'll eat it.
Your wife can always make it happen.
Oh boy, you see, in that case, I have to be going. I'm coming back with my kingsmen on Saturday. Plenty of them.
Make sure you come early on Saturday.
Very early, very early.
Just wait, I have something special for you. You really enjoyed the meal that much?
Very well, so this is what you've been enjoying. Jerry, you're not a good person. You're not a good person.
Hey. You see this? Snail. Especially for you.
Yeah. Oh, Mama, I don't eat snail.
No, you will eat this one. When you get home, tell your mother to prepare this snail for you with plenty of pepper and oziza.
That is even the problem. My mother doesn't eat snail. Mancha.
No, but you will eat this one. You prepare it yourself. It's simple. Okay. It's not difficult at all. You prepare it yourself.
It's okay. I'll try. I'll try. Okay, Mama, let me start going. Okay. Remember, on Saturday, I'm coming back.
Early Saturday.
Plenty in-laws. Very early.
Mama, let me see you now. Okay.
Mama.
Okay,
Mama. I'm coming back, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama.
Greet your mother for me. Mama, Ite banyego. Oh, banyego. Hey. Opa.
Stop right there! You almost ruined man.
What's going on? Huh? Do I look like the person that did this to you?
7 slaves. 7 evil slaves. Eat and become useless. Eat and become useless. And your life will be slower than that of the speed of a slave.
Okay. Just stay here and wait for me, yeah?
Oh, stay now. Stay. Stay. Useless, oh. Useless. Thank God you're being useless. No, useless. 7 snails. No, useless. No. 7 snails. 7 evil snails. Useless. No.
They said I won't have the best mother-in-law ever. Eh? Good woman. Because she knows I need blood. That's why she gave me this thing to eat it. So I'll be coming her house. I'll package it to her now with better pepper and processor. Follow it all. You know why? No. Nice 100. Even though I don't know how peanuts. One mama. Looking after me.
He will eat them and become useless. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7 evil snails. He will eat them and become useless. Thank God he'll be useless.
Nitalejuna. Obi Nitalejuna. Hey, Chimefomo. Nitala Putamo. Nitalejuna. Hey! Hey! Otachakwanu Mukwemini la chefele obini la Putamo. Hey! Hey!
Hey, Ibuste!
Uncle, I want to ask you some questions. Am I not old enough to take decisions concerning my life and how I'm going to live it?
Of course you are.
Very good. Will you be the one to live with Ijere when I marry her?
Mban.
Very good. Chukudebegi. Am I not old enough to fight for my right and what I believe in?
Of course you are.
So why has my mother succeeded in convincing you people about her dreams? Why? See, Uncle, better get ready. You're following me to my in-laws' place on Saturday.
Obina,
I just don't want to talk.
Obina, I will not do that. I will not do that. Mamma, eh? Your father will be angry with me in his grave. Yeah, Mban.
Okosime. Is that so? Ambassador of the dead. One. One other two. You people are not two in this community. When you were sleeping with my mother, did it ever occur to you that my father will be angry with you in his grave?
Obina! Obina!
Uncle, Biko. Let's not drag it though. Let's not drag it because you know I know what you know. Okay? I know what you know. Stop hiding it. Please take this drink. On Saturday, you're following me to my in-laws' place. Period. If you like, you get it. Ambassador.
If you know what I know, are you the one to sleep with your mother? It is my inheritance. It is my property. Hey! Hey, can one see my again? Hey! What a whim.
By the time I got home, he has already eaten.
Mama, I think we should allow that boy to follow his heart.
What? What did I hear you say?
I said you should leave him to follow his heart.
Ichi, what happened? Guinea Meg?
Mama, I've been thinking about this all this while. If you stop that boy from marrying that girl, his life will be in danger.
His life is already in danger. All we need to do is to bring him back and repair him. In a good danger. On a danger already.
Norma, if Ijere is from a bad family as you claim, they will certainly kill Obina. They will kill him from turning away from marrying their daughter. And you know what that means.
Hey. That means you're going with him, right?
But someone has to go with him.
Hey. Oh. I have finally lost the battle. It's all right. I will go home and wait for what becomes of him. It's so bad. Dalo.
No problem, Bob.
Mama. Wow. Such a long day. These elders from this village are just something else. Let me even check the marriage list. Oh. Marriage right. This handwriting. Oh, okay, marriage right list. Okay. 7 crates of beer.
carton of soap. 10 bags of salt. What are they doing with 10 bags of salt? 1 he-goat. 7 heads of snuff. Oh, taba. And 21 gallons of palm wine. Wow, good stuff. At least this one is better than some villages in Imo State, where they will give you lesson notes as marriage list. Hey, Mama, I will be going to Jerry's place tomorrow for the marriage rites. It will interest you to know that. Excuse me.
He will live to see his mistakes.
Hi.
Mama, take it. Take it, you need it. You will thank me later for this. His mother has started going places, asking questions about us. You need it. And I'm not going to live in the village with his mother. You need it. Mama, these things are becoming too much. It's becoming too much. What is too much then? What is too much, my only daughter? For your own good. And I'm a get her. What is this called? It's called Udukari. It's made up of the hair of an old female cat. And these things are becoming too much. They're becoming too much. Nothing is too much. Ini deliver. And I'm a waggy. So what am I supposed to do with it now? Stroll with it to the house. When you get to the house, put it under the bed. Before you lay down on that bed, put it under there. For your own good. Under the bed. Duke. Nika. Ginika. Kakari.
Oh, you wanted to lock me outside?
How can I possibly lock you outside?
Because I've been knocking. I'm sorry. Just gonna lock me. Sorry. So how's my pretty wife going?
Very well.
Okay. It's good to see you play phones all the time. Yeah.
No, just say no.
What is this called? It's called Udukari. It's made up of the hair of an old female cat. And then these things are becoming too much. They're becoming too much.
Did you see anything?
Nothing.
Hi. Are you scared?
Of course. I haven't experienced something like this before. How can a cat be mewing in my house?
I have to go and see my mother about this tomorrow. I have to go and see her about this.
Your mother?
Yes.
And what will your mother do about it?
My mother knows some woman who sets traps for witches.
You think this is a witch?
What else do you call this?
Nika Mejo. Nika Mejo.
Spider corner. Oh! It's a witch, it's a witch, it's a witch. Mama! 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 Please come and take your charm. You should have told me that this is the evil. Please come and take your charm. I don't want it again. You see, that charm is for your own good. Mama. Mama. I drop it on the ground. No? I say I don't want the charm. Take. If you drop that charm on the ground, you will go mad. Huh? Okay, I'm not dropping it on the ground, but take your charm. I can't take it. Huh? Nemo! Please take your charm. Please, I'm begging you. I don't want it again. I'll go keep it in your room. Oh. I said I don't want it again. Why are you stupid? No, tell me, why are you stupid? I am so disappointed that my daughter can't see. You think I'm stupid? I didn't say you're stupid though. I only said I don't want the charm again. Please, don't be angry. Thank you very much for all your efforts. Take your charm back. You better go and thank your God that witch didn't suck your blood last night. Which witch? Obina didn't tell you his mother is a witch. Hey! Hey! Obina's mother is a witch. Is she a witch? Thank you, God, you have a strong mother like me. Hey! No wonder. She kept asking me questions about my Taliban the very first day I went there. Oh. If
not for this antidote, she would have sucked 2 pints of your blood last night. Hey! Hey! Mama. Because when you don't be angry. Give me more. You want more, Akuya? Yes. Now you're talking. No wonder she kept asking me, Nne, who gave you that thing on your neck? Nne, what is it called? Nne. Okay. Hey! She want to suck your blood on miaya shash. On miyagi go. Come inside. Let me give you what I want to give to you. Come. Hey! On miyagi. Hey! Emena, I couldn't sleep last night. It's like a big cat invaded our house. Did you see anyone? I did not see anything, but I felt their presence everywhere.
Mama, are you thinking what I am thinking?
What are you thinking?
There's a witch living in this house, and you and I know who she is.
Menwapudo, there is no peace for the wicked. She will not have rest.
Mama, what we need to do now is that we have to go and see this here tomorrow before I get out of hand. Yes.
So are you ready to tell me why you've been moody?
You have to ask your mom some questions.
What do you mean, ask my mom some questions?
Ask her why the cat keeps meowing at night. You have to ask her.
Wait a minute. Are you saying that my mother knows about the cat? She's even looking for the cat to kill it herself.
So, I'm lying.
I'm not saying you're lying, but then you have to reason what you're saying.
There's anything that she needs to tell you by herself. You are the one who has to go there and ask her.
Ask her what? About cats?
My mother went to see a woman who fights witches.
And the woman said that my mother is a witch.
You're not very respectful. I can't say it from my mouth. You have to go and ask your mother. It's better when you hear it from the horse's mouth.
Come on, how can you be saying that? That can you call my mom? But you heard when she told you that my mother is a witch.
Exactly. But you are the one who has said it. I didn't say anything.
Come on, that's not possible. How can my mother be a witch?
Your daughter-in-law has brought in a symbol of witches into the house. This will break your home, and if you are not careful, it will take your life.
God forbid.
Wise one, please, what do we do about it?
I'm not a witch hunter. I'm only a seer. You have to go to Ikolo. He knows what to do with them.
Who is Ikolo?
Ikolo, the dwarf from Umu Aloma. Go to him with a white cock and he will help you.
Thank you.
Ijere. That is her name. She is the daughter of one of the vilest witches, Oyema.
Yes. Yes, wise one. My son has fallen into their trap. I want him to be saved.
Woman,
You have to fight for your life. For your son is like a termite that has entered the mouth of the hungry hawk.
Hi.
Yes. And now listen to me. When you get home tonight, cast some ashes around your house. In the morning, you will see our footsteps. You will have to repeat this for 7 days.
Is that all I need to do? Obusigo?
Put 7 cowries around your bed before you sleep tonight. And cross over them with 7 broomsticks around them.
Wise one. For how long do I need to do this one?
For as long as Ijeri lives with your son.
Thank you.
Goodness. Oh my God. See what they've done to my skin. Obinna. Obinna. Obinna.
Hello?
Just look at my skin. See what the witch has done to my skin.
Even me. Eh? What's the meaning of this?
I don't know. No. There's a witch in this house. There's a witch in this house. That witch should better confess now. Else I'll go and tell my mother.
Oh my love, it hasn't gotten to that.
Then you have to ask the witch to confess.
It's your mother that is a witch. Go and tell her that I said so.
Did you call my mother a witch?
Did you see water in my mouth? If you meet in tell her that I called her a witch.
Okay.
We shall see nothing. We shall see nothing. I'm not even mad. You can make it.
We shall see. Okay. Hey.
Can you stop? My love, listen. Mama, how could you call someone's mom a witch?
Shut up! Make sure what she saw. Were you not here when she called me a witch? Did you tell her to shut up? Eh? When Atolo. You better shift though. Stand there. When she called me, you didn't tell her to shut up. You are coming to challenge me.
Ada wagi, ida no. Ani egosigi, ida fo.
How could you suck it, Peter?
I didn't know what I was doing. Something strange possessed me and drained the blood in my veins. I didn't know what I was doing.
You have to be careful next time. Eh? Take. Open your mouth. Take. Take. Drink up. It's okay.
It's Peter.
Yes, you'll be fine.
Mama?
I think your daughter is here. Hey. Do not look into her eyes, or she will fall sick and die.
What is wrong with my mother?
She's sick. She's sick. Yes. Mama, what is wrong with you?
Ijere, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Ijere, that your mother-in-law is evil. She's evil. She attacked me last night.
She is. She's evil. See what she did to my skin.
She did?
Yes.
Don't worry. When I get better, I know what to do to her.
Should I get you to a hospital? Hospital?
No.
Hey, Mbano. She will be fine.
Yes.
No, you will be fine.
Yes, I will be fine.
She will be fine. Relax, oh. Don't worry. Oh. She needs some rest.
No problem. No problem at all. I am leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm picking all my things and I'm leaving.
Oh, really? You've not started running. By the way, did you tell your mother what I told you?
Tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning.
Yeah, stop staring at me like a lost sheep. Why not today? In fact, why not now? You're waiting tomorrow. Leave now! Agent Chama Atoya. You're waiting tomorrow. Leave now! She almost ate her daughter's flesh last night. Yes.
Then it worked. That's good news.
It worked. I have to go and see him later.
That will be fine. You know, she thought she's wise. We have to break her wings.
Ije.
We have to break her wings, one after the other.
Ije.
Let me start going before my father starts looking for me.
Okay, I'll be here for a while.
Okay.
Tonight, I will show her the stuff I know.
where she's coming from first. Because things might get worse this time. I must get my revenge tonight. This time, you might shoot yourself on the foot. How do you mean? Your daughter is there. Your venom may go extra mile. Where did she get her powers from? Where? That is what we should find out first, before going for a fight again.
Wise one, how many cocoyams do I need to buy?
You have to buy as much as possible. And make sure you cast the ashes around your compound tonight.
On the man.
Yes. Okay. One more thing. If you want to serve your son some meal, make sure you touch your paka seed 3 times on the meal.
3 times?
Yes, 3 times.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you. I should take my leave now. What are you doing here by this time of the night? Throwing incantations. And... Hey! Who is going? Huh? I came out to pee, and I just saw your mother by that corner throwing ashes on the ground and making some incantations. Huh? Hey! I came to call you, and she just disappeared. It's not the way.
Disappear? Disappear to where? My mother cannot disappear. What are you saying?
That dream disappeared to where? I said I saw her with my eyes here, and she disappeared. She was about to turn into a cat and start mewing before I caught her.
Come on, my love, let's go inside, alright? Stop being funny. My mother do come out to ease herself every midnight.
Huh? I think, come on, my love. Let's just this. My mother come out to feed him night. Huh? I said I saw her with my own eyes. I'm not going inside.
So how where now? What are you saying?
Huh?
Let's go inside.
Simba! Simba! I'm not following you inside. I'm not sleeping this night though. Because she cannot afford to suck my blood again. I will not close my eye to sleep. We must keep vigil here. Because she cannot afford to suck my blood again.
My lord, can you stop? My mother to come out to ease herself. That must have been what she came out to do before you saw her. Okay? Let's go.
Get this paper. I'm not going inside. I'm going to keep vigil here. Say my mother to come to pee. Ha.
Okay, if you're not going inside, I'll be inside when you're ready to go.
Throwing ashes, and throwing... Hey! Are you leaving me here? Wait for me, oh! Hey! Wait!
killed me. Hey, why you go?
Hey, I warned you. I warned you, didn't I? Let that family be. Eh? I know what I want. You want her dead? If she's alive, my daughter will not last in that house. They will send her packing. You don't have to do it now. When will I do it? No, tell me. If I don't do it now, when? There are other ways to do it. Which other way? Make her son to hate her. Yes. Make him to see her as evil. I want something more than that. I want her son to be under my daughter. That's what I want. Since you have such a brilliant idea, why risk your life then?
He's under my spell already.
Then you have nothing to worry. He will be under a jury for the rest of his life. With that, he will take control of whatever that is happening in that family. Conobry feature.
Love, I'm very sure of what I saw. I'm very, very sure. She was mean like a cat, just here. I saw her.
So, I am a liar or I'm blind? Obina, if you're not going back with me to the city, I'm going to have to leave you here and go.
Come on, my love, there's no witch in this house. I can't go back to the city now. I still have 3 days left in my leave.
But if you love me, you'll go with me. The witch won't let the house be. The house is haunted by a witch.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Then, fine. If you're not going, that's fine. Tell me, when can you come and meet me in my mother's house?
Hey, come on, my love. Are we going to be going to your mother every now and then we have issues?
Well, because you don't want to stand up and be a man.
But I'm a man.
The witch is haunting the house. And you won't even send the witch away.
There is no witch in this house. How else am I going to sing it for you to understand?
Why
that was a cat.
Shouting at me? He's shouting again! That is it. I'm leaving.
No. I won't shout again. Hey, my love, listen now. I'm trying to say... No, you can't do it.
Get away. I'm going to my mother.
Hey, my love, no, you can't leave me.
I get away.
Hi! Hi!
Obina! Look at what they've done to you! Look at it! You are still rushing. Now, Tria! Hey, Obina! Can't you read the handwriting on the wall?
But there's no handwriting on the wall. It's just love. Can someone slap his love again?
Hey! Obina, they have taken away the man in you. Hey! What we saw last night was her mother.
Mama, are you sure of what you're saying? The mother?
At least, you now know I am not the witch disturbing our peace for the last few days. Hi!
What is happening? Eh? Am I dreaming?
Obina, let me go and get something for you to eat. And boil water so to dap you here. Because I know the Ola, the slap. Sit down. No dani. Sit down. I'm coming. Hey!
Mama! Are you seeing me? Are you seeing me?
Why are you crying, Ogene?
The house is hell!
It's okay. It's okay, Bizna. It's okay. Wipe your tears. It's going to be fine. Just wipe your tears, okay? Let's go inside. Bizna. Bizna.
que é você? Queria me pacas.
What do you want? What do you want? I'm asking you.
It's my wife. I came for my wife.
Wicked man. I gave my only daughter to you. You and your evil mother treat her the way you like.
Mama, it's not what you think. Please. I didn't know what came over me.
Stupidity, that is what came over you.
Mama, please. I'm begging you. You know how much I love your daughter.
Please, not my daughter. You won't let her go.
Okay, I won't let her go again. Please.
Send me a check on. The only thing I'm looking for is if you promise never to make me go back to that haunted house again.
Okay, fine. You're not going there.
Never, ever.
Not at all. From here, we are going back to the city immediately. Huh? Thank you. Okay, my love. Let me quickly open this.
Yeah. Here first. This world is full of evil people. Before you go to the city tomorrow, I want you to go and see a great seer who will guide you on how to live without the interference of these evil people.
Seer. But Mama, I hope it's not a witch doctor's place.
No, yeah, he got sick. Not at all.
Oh, okay.
We're talking about a powerful woman. She will only advise you on how to live a peaceful life.
Ha! Mama the mama. Mama, you're such a caring mother.
My dear, if I don't take care of my son-in-law, why am I living?
Abio.
You know your mother will not give you a rooted advice like this. Ha! That one. Does she have common sense? All she does is just walk around the house at night, mewing like a cat. Am I lying?
No. Even in the afternoon.
I'm sure both of you must be hungry. Ijere, we'll go to the kitchen and bring the food. Okay.
Mama, do you have snail?
You want to eat snail meat?
Yes, exactly. Mama, you know that snail you gave me that day? Everybody in my house was dragging that snail with me. They wanted to collect it, but I said no. My mother-in-law gave me this snail, so I must eat it alone. I finished all of them.
You know what I'm going to do? I will prepare snail pepper soup for you.
Mama, I will eat snail. Go and prepare it.
Go and bring the food in them.
Mama. Mama, you're a very good mother.
Thank you, my dear.
Evil people after your life.
I knew it.
But they have failed.
Wise one, please. What am I going to do to stop them from coming after me in future?
Almsgiving. Give. Starting from here. What are you waiting for?
It's true.
Let me see your pants. Is everything okay? His destiny is clouded. It has to be washed. Please, wash it, Griffon. Wash it.
Wash it.
I wash away every ill luck in your destiny. I wash away every ill luck in your destiny. What is done?
Thank you so much.
Your enemies will never see you again. Another one. You're a very kind man. May the gods favor you.
No. Mama. How did it go?
It went very well. Thank you for the suggestion.
My in-law, I hope you're happy now. Go inside and change. The snail will soon be ready.
Snail?
Yes.
Snail!
Is this way? Is this way?
Where is it, Jerry? Where is it? Calm down. Wanda, let's do this thing now that it's hot. I may fan. I want to see Jerry first. I'm not here with it. Why? Makagini? Because you are not the only one who needs it. My son has been wandering for the past 5 years in the city without a job. Mother, don't do this to us. What will be my reward? Mention your reward. Mention what you want. You mention it yourself. I give you my word. Okay. When Ijere makes plenty money, I'll give you money to start business for your son. I will even give you money to build a house. I swear. I give you my word. Swear by your nightstick. And if you don't, let this stick bring my destruction. Good. Inenu inani, wapena mizu. It is done. This is the beginning of great things in your life. Thank you, great one. Your husband will always be under you until he dies. Thank you, my mothers.
My mother is calling you. Obinna! I said my mother is calling you.
The tongue is itching me.
Obinna. I thought you people are supposed to travel.
But my palms have been itching me.
Your palm itching you?
Yes.
Will that stop you from driving?
I can't drive this. No.
Okay, let me get you something.
Feeling so bad.
Okay, what's that? Use it.
Chineke.
How are you?
Obinna! What happened to you? Where is your car? Why are you dressed like this?
What happened with
you?
Is there anything wrong with what happened? Eh? It's not fine. Don't be ridiculous!
Okorobịa dike m ji n'aka fana lugum ya Obinna bụ gịnị na-eme Obinna bụ ka isi jee Obinna bụ ka isi jee nwa m okorobịa gịnị na-eme nwa m Obinna bụ ka isi jee Obinna bụ ka isi jee Chimo bịa gbawa m okorobịa m ji n'aka Obinna bụ ka isi jee anya m afụgo ntị m ndị igwe ebugokwa m Obinna mma m buru n'afọ okorobịa m jeje mba Obinna bụ ka isi jee ada agwa gị ịda anọ a na-egosi gị ịda afọ Obinna bụ ka isi jee okorobịa dike m ji n'aka analugo m ya Obinna bụ gịnị na-eme Obinna bụ ka isi jee
Alụ emem. Alụ emem.
Alụ emem. Alụ emem.
Alụ emem. Ay, 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 ay. Hey! Hey! Obinna! Nwa m okorobịa oyibo! Ọ gịnị ya?
Obinna mma m buru n'afọ okorobịa m jeje mba Obinna bụ ka isi jee ada agwa gị ịda anọ a na-egosi gị ịda afọ Obinna bụ ka isi jee okorobịa dike m ji n'aka fana lugum ya Obinna bụ gịnị na-eme Obinna bụ ka isi jee Obinna bụ ka isi jee nwa m okorobịa gịnị na-eme nwa m Obinna bụ ka isi jee ọ bụ mụ na onye ya ebi lee ka isi eme eli Obinna bụ ka isi jee Chimo bịa gbawa m okorobịa m ji n'aka Obinna bụ ka isi jee anya m afụgo ntị m ndị igwe ebugokwa m Obinna mma m buru n'afọ okorobịa m ji
What
What is funny? Eh? It's not a laughing matter. Obinna, I said, what are you doing in this village looking like a destitute?
Mama. Me? Prostitute?
Oh, I did not say prostitute. I said destitute.
Oh, destitute.
Hey. Otu aka si wee kwọcha aka tiela ọkụkọ akị. Hey.
Mama, did you see what I've
seen? They have succeeded in ruining my son's life.
Okay.
What happened to you? You're looking lost. And it's caring and heartbreaking.
I'm looking lost. Me? I'm looking lost. Huh? Mama? Is it true that I'm looking lost? You said I'm looking lost. I'm looking lost too. If I'm lost, you found me now. Go and find me. I'm lost.
We can't leave him like this. It could get worse.
I do not want to believe that Obinna is mad.
No, Mama, he's not mad.
If he's not mad, Emenam, what is he? Eh?
I can't explain. We have to go and see Ikulu. Yes. Mama, please. I don't want to see those tears, please. Okay. Let's go. Obi. Let's go and buy palm wine.
Huh? You want to buy palm wine?
Yes, palm wine.
Mama, he wants to buy palm wine! Let's go. Where is she following us to?
Huh?
She. Look.
She's the one with the money to buy the palm wine.
The money? So, how much?
Mama, how much?
500 naira. 500 naira. Okay. Let's be going and buy the palm wine.
Yes.
Chimo obia bawamo okoro biam jinaka obia no bukisi je.
Give me the palm wine. Where is it?
I will give you once we get home. I will give you.
No, no. I want to drink
leave it.
now.
Leave
I
it.
want to
Leave
drink
it now.
it now.
I will give it.
Open now.
I'll give you.
I'll drink it.
Yeah.
But I heard when he said I should drink it before meal. Or you want to give me after meal?
Once we get home now, I'll give it to you.
No, no, give me. Why are you with me?
I'll give you. I'll give you. I'll give you.
I'll give you. You drink it when you get home. You drink it when you get home.
I'll drink the palm wine when I get home. Are you sure I'll drink it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's be going. Is this the palm wine?
Yes.
Okay.
Drink it. You will like it.
Okay. Mama. This palm wine is bitter.
Listen, just close your nose, then drink it. You will like it. Oh, just close your nose.
Okay.
No. No. Abone. Hey, stop. No.
Okay.
Abone. Oh. Sorry. It's okay.
Mama, how is he faring?
He has been sleeping since so.
Oh, thank God. Has he eaten anything?
Boleto, 3 times.
Oh, nice. Mama, don't worry. The evil ones will be put to shame.
Amen.
You'll be fine.
Amen.
Huh?
See, I want to go to the market and buy something.
Okay.
Help me take care of him.
That's why I'm here. I'll take care of him.
Thank you. In case he wakes up and needs to eat, there is food in the kitchen.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay.
Oh?
Don't worry.
You guys find me. Thank you. It doesn't count my team. You have Hey! Please sit down.
Oh, thank you, Mama. I'm so tired. No, I drove all the way. Let me sit down like this so I can see you very well. Good news. Tell me, I am now a director at my company. Akosina, don't shout yet. I am also going to Canada for a 1-year course. And you say I should not shout. You say I should not shout. You say I should not shout. It's the maintenance book. It's the maintenance book. I'm happy for you. Thank you, Mama. Hey. Thank you. Hey, what of your husband? No, you already know the answer to that question.
I hear he's now in the village. What would I have done, Mama? He was constituting a nuisance. People in the street started talking and complaining. I had to send him away. Hey! Mem, you are now a big woman. Anything you want, you will get it. Yes, Mama. And I have enough money to buy myself any kind of husband I want.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Thanks to you, Mama. I wouldn't have been able to do it if it weren't for you. I love you. I love you too, my dear. You're my only daughter. If I don't do it for you, who will I do?
You know what?
Let me go and get the things I bought for you in the car. No, come and eat first, the later will carry it. I bought you something. Come and eat first.
You look up. Hey, is there a man? Is there a man? Is there a man? If you want to walk, the car. Hey. My love!
What are you doing?
You're here.
What kind of stupid question is that? This is my husband's house. And I can chase you out if I want.
You cannot.
Really? Anyways, lucky you. I'm not here to argue with an friend.
Get out.
What?
You heard me.
You want to throw me out of my husband's house? Obinna.
Get out or I will push you out now.
Don't even dare.
No! Don't push her out. This is my love. I want to push my love. Not push you, yeah?
Now leave. I said leave before I push you out.
I don't.
I will push you out.
No! Push you.
Very well then.
I want to push my love.
If
No.
you want me to leave my husband's house, then leave, I will.
Leave!
No,
You are
no.
a wicked and evil woman. Leave!
No!
Did you just hear her call me an evil woman?
No, you're not an evil woman. You're a good woman, yeah? Yeah?
I'm leaving.
No, no! No, no, no!
Omina, what is wrong with you?
Chikwan, what is going on here?
Mama, sister want to leave. I'm saying my love to leave.
Get out from there!
Hey! Obinna, if you want to see me, come to my place and see me.
No, no, no.
Obinna, what do you think you are doing? Leave this evil woman alone!
No, my love.
The one man here.
Obinna!
Obinna! Obinna! Come on.
Obinna!
Come back. Come back. Jonathan. Come back here. What is the problem? Hey! She wants to jump me. Eh?
I said this woman is
This woman.
My love.
Obinna!
Obinna!
Look at Obinna.
Hey,
Look at Obinna. Hey, Fomo. Obinna.
Mama. Hey! Hey! I have never seen such charm as strong as this. Mama, don't go. Mama, don't go. He will come back. He will come back. He will come back.
My heart is shattered into pieces. I don't like the way I saw him. He's a good man. I don't feel like he deserves this. What is wrong with you? You're making it look as if I have done something wrong. If I didn't come to help you, he would have traveled out of this country and he will marry a white woman over there and forget anything that has to do with you. You're right, Mama. You're right. I just feel bad seeing him that way. I feel like maybe I should help him. Eh? If you try to help him, you will become wretched. Listen to me and listen good. I am warning you. Don't try it. If you help him, his star will come back to him. No, please don't give him his star. I'll do as you say. I'll listen to what you just said now. Good. My love, my love, my love. Oh, good, I found you here. I've been looking for you everywhere. Why are you looking for? You're sweating.
Where are you going to sweating and stinking like this?
Okay. No sweat again.
Yay! Why not?
Hey! Go back.
We can't stay. You can't stay here. Please, you have left your house like a cousin demanded. I'm begging you, go back home. Oh, go back home.
Okay, I'll go and beat him.
You go and beat her. When you finish beating her, I'm here. You can come back and meet me here.
Okay. Let me go and beat her.
Blue, black.
Black and blue.
Black and blue. You see Kego? Yeah! Because what is it? You not enjoy what is it? I'm enjoying it. Any other Hey! Look one more.
You beat up my wife and asked her to go up here?
Hey!
Up here?
I'll get it! Hey! Stop this! Stop it!
Let me get her. Let me get her to respect people's wife. You yellow.
Why are you doing this to us? Why? Obinna, why? Hey.
What am I doing to us?
Juba, what you're doing to us? Muki fell up. So if I didn't touch you, will blow me. Obinna, hey.
I want to drink palm wine.
You want to drink? Yes. Come on, sit down. Can you put it here? Oh, can you put it here? No, need to go put it.
Mama, palm wine.
Let me get the cup.
Let me cover my nose.
Yes, cover your nose. You will like it.
Mama, it's tasting nice today.
I told you will like it. I told you. Drink it. Oh, muchacha. Are you okay?
Yes, Mama. I want to drink again.
Drink. Oh, I told you will like it. I told you will like it. Hope you liked it.
Yes.
I'm coming. Let me
Okay,
keep
Mama. Mama, you're coming.
I'm coming.
Okorobịa dike m ji n'aka fana lugum ya Obinna bụ gịnị na-eme Obinna bụ ka isi jee Obinna bụ ka isi jee Nwa m okorobịa gịnị na-eme Nwa m Obinna bụ ka isi jee Obu mụ na onye ya ebi
madam. You met me well. Come and join me.
Thank you very much. Dalu. Hey, I heard your daughter is back.
She's back.
I heard she came back with a big car.
A beautiful jeep.
I also heard she's now a big woman.
Yeah. You heard. You heard from where?
Oyima. People have eyes. Besides, good thing can hardly be hidden. This we find Nezo.
I see.
I'm going to the market. I want to go and buy some things. Can I wait for you?
Wait for me? No. I will stay long in the market. Can you wait for me? I'm going to spend time there.
Nekwananya. Or level liners. How the man? I had. You have been enjoying the things your daughter brought back alone.
What would I have done with them? Throw them in the evil forest.
Are you angry? Hey, Ugbaru, let me go. It's obvious I'm not welcome here today. Why are you behaving like that? You're asking me why I'm behaving like this. You are greedy. We started this together and it worked. Now you don't want to show appreciation.
Show appreciation to who? To you. Because
we had an agreement.
I didn't have any agreement with you. I'm not coming for you now.
We agreed that you give me some money if Ijere becomes a big woman. You even promised that you build me a house.
Hi, Chideke.
I promised to build you a house.
Have I built a house for myself? You've not even seen money. You're talking about building you a house in Nokwanum because you're chilling on the Wasalia.
I can see you already. We shall dance under the sun. I am ready for that dance. You will dance with the evil spirits.
You can go. You can't do anything. Go, you can't do anything.
If an owl doesn't cry at night, the cricket thinks she knows how to make noise. We shall see.
We shall see not.
Go!
Go! Go and play that music. I will dance to it. I should build you a house. I look at moon on Kim. Yeah, it does.
If an owl doesn't cry at night, the cricket thinks she knows how to make noise. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Ajakana, she swore to deal with me. I am worried.
She cannot do anything. I will fortify your nightstick. If she comes close to you, strike her dead. Give me your nightstick. Thank you. Take. You are now stronger than any woman in your clan.
Thank you.
Go! Go, Oyima! Go!
Thank you.
Orukwanụ ka ọ na-eru ihe onye metara ya ojiri si abụ okechara agwọ
Mama, I'm coming. I know you will like it. You like it. Obinna! 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 One more! Obinna! Hey!
My love! Who is that mad person? Who is this mad person?
It's me.
You who?
Yes, it's me, mad person.
You are here. Did I not ask you to go and beat up that stupid cousin of yours yesterday?
I beat her. I swear I beat her. I beat her black and blue. If I'm lying, go and ask my mother. I beat her.
How are you?
I beat her. My love, please, I want to stay with you.
Where?
Inside.
Go, we're not here. Go.
Let me stay inside, Mama. Please, I want to stay inside.
I'll stop you now. I said go.
Oh, Mama, please, I want to stay inside.
Fair. C'est pas quoi?
No. Tell me to get up and I will get up. Should I get up?
I said you should get up.
Huh? Okay. I've get up. Mama, I'm hungry.
You are hungry. What have you done for me today?
Nothing. But I've beaten men.
You beat men?
Yes. Black and blue.
Obinna, you're still here? Hurry up and dry this car, I'm late. No. Don't tell me you're not done.
Yes.
And where's my handbag?
Inside the car. Here.
Leave there! Here.
My love, are you going out?
No, I'm going in.
Okay. Go in. Go.
Hey, shut up! Have you finished washing those clothes? Get out of here. Go and wash those clothes. Get out!
Now. Yeah, you're still here.
Yes.
You better hurry up and wash all these clothes so you can go and pack food for my mother. You're still here since.
Okay, I'll do that.
You will do that.
Yes, my love.
Hey, stop calling me that.
I did not call you that, oh. I called you my love.
Why are you sitting down like a pregnant woman washing? My friend, get up! You need to swap.
Start washing.
Oyima. So this is what you've turned my son into? A houseboy?
Okuya, how dare you walk into this house without knocking? More, how dare you? Eh? Oyima, oh, you finally turned my son into a mere toy. No, the boy no kata itu ya wago, itu ya wada. Okuya?
Mama, is it your business?
Yes, Michon.
Is it your business?
Obina!
Eh? Why don't you like minding your business?
Obina!
You and this your
How dare you do Michon? You do Sion. Nega tolo. Anumanu. Ngwa, una.
Come, let's go.
See me. Mama, go and bring more clothes. Let me wash.
Nepomo.
Why are you making noise in our compound? Eh?
Jerry, look at what you've done to you.
Yes, you son, Michon. You son.
I even thought they were human beings here.
Ijele. You thought we human beings.
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's go.
Come, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Come, let's go.
Obina, let's go.
Quietly leave this compound now.
Uno malife gal uno when why you say back wa.
Leave. Man is not here. People to go now.
Obina, if you know what is good for you,
come. I say leave this place now.
Live where? You will for what?
Obina, you are going.
Why should I live here?
You cry, you know here.
Chimo. Mama.
Obina! Where is this boy?
Obina!
Obina!
What are you doing here?
We have come to take you home. Kaingawa.
Take who home?
You.
Ngwa, una.
Obinna! I said let's go.
Obinna, you slapped me. Hey, you slapped. Eminem, let's go. Let's go. Obinna. Obinna. You slapped me. What the fuck?
You are cursed from this day.
Leave me alone, you know it. You know it. Nah, blur your face.
And why are you looking at us like that?
I need some soup to eat my food.
I eat some soup. To eat my food. I eat some soup. Huh? So, I should leave this food I'm eating and come and give you soup. Huh?
No. But I'm hungry.
Yeah. You are hungry.
Yes, ma'am.
You might need to be very ungrateful. If you're ungrateful, you're ungrateful. You're not even happy that I put roof under your head. This is you are hungry. Eat the akpele.
It's true. It's true. But I'm hungry, Mama.
Yeah? Kweba! You join my yakananya. I'm happy. You join my yakananya. Weba, it is very stubborn. It is too stubborn. Very ungrateful. Spider-Man. You are an ungrateful person. So, Weba! Also, this is the poor. Now, when you. Oh, no. Ah. See, I'm hungry. I want to eat. Please come and give me soup. Obinna! Obinna, where's the water? Hi. Oh my God. Oh! Hi. Come and clear the plate. To bring water now, you went to sleep there. Have you washed the plate? Yeah. See the dirty rubber I used to go and bring water. See the dirty rubber I used to bring water. Hmm? Yeah. You've not washed those plates, Akuya. So I should come and wash them for you.
No.
Huh?
I'm soup. I'm hungry.
Super. You are hungry. Bia. So why are you shaking like this? Huh? All this. I'm just shaking like this. Shaking. Make sure you wash those plates. It's clean, man. Thank you. Mama, thank you. Go home to your mother. Go home.
Mama?
Obinna, I'm hungry. Come and sit down. Oh? Oh?
Obinna.
Mama, I said that I am hungry. Hey, let me go and get something for you to eat. Kambuti akita. Oh?
Obinna. Welcome. You're not saying anything. What happened? Why did you leave the city?
I don't know. I really can't tell.
Do you know your wife is the cause of your problems? Yes. She has changed your destiny with hers. She made your life miserable.
Where is she now?
She's in her mother's house. Obinna, you were supposed to be in overseas by now. But she's the one planning to go to overseas.
Yes.
Someone from our village told me categorically that she's now the new director in your company. She's the cause of your problem. She is. Where are you going to?
Obinna!
Mama, leave him. Let him go. I'm sure he's not coming back to his senses.
Obinna.
He will be fine. Mama, he will be fine. Let him go. Don't worry. He will come back. He will come back, Mama. He will come back. Don't worry. He will come back, Mama. Let's go inside. Mama, it's okay. Let him go. Oh. Mama, it's okay. Let's go inside. It's okay. He will come back.
You sure?
Yes, he will come back. Let's go. Mama, it's okay. Let's go inside. He will come back.
Jerry! Jerry,
Why are you shouting?
what am I doing in this village? I said, what am I doing in this village? What have you done to me?
Why are you shouting at me now? Eh?
Shut up and answer me! What have you done to me? What is happening to me?
Do you realize you're shouting?
Let me shout! Let me shout! What have you done to me? Tell me, what have you done to me? Why am I acting so useless?
Let me explain some things to you first. Let me explain some things to you first, eh?
By the way, what month are we in?
Hey, oh, I mean, June.
June?
Yes, June.
Oh, and why am I not in Canada? Why have I not gone to Canada? What am I still doing here?
There's a handbook of your mother and her co.
Hi. Oh.
Come and sit down.
What is happening to me? What is happening to me? What is happening? Stop telling me to sit! Stop telling me to sit! Tell me, what have you people done to me? What have you done to me? What have you done to me? Oh, this is not me. This is not me. This is not me. Oh.
Mama said you should sit down.
For all this. Your mother is evil. Yeah. She's a witch. She would have killed you if not for the intervention of my daughter with her prayer.
I even fasted that day, morning and night. I prayed too. All good.
Why is God happening to me? Why is my mother treating me?
Your mother have the answer to this question. You go and ask her. She's a witch.
Let me go. Oh God.
That kind of battle is already going to happen.
Mama! 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 Mama!
It's okay. told you that. I told you come back. I told you. I told you come back.
Mama! Mama, what am I doing in this village?
Mama, it worked. The apes.
Obinna, just sit down.
I said, what am I still doing in this village? What have you done to me? Why am I still in this village?
Obi, we are surprised as you are. You came back into this village looking like a madman. We've been fighting so hard to bring you back.
Don't touch me! What am I doing in this village? What am I doing in this village, Mama? What have you done to me?
Me?
What's going on? Why am I still here?
Me?
What am I doing in this village? What's going on? Why am I still here? Why? Oh my God, I'm finished. Why am I still here? Why am I still here? What am I doing in this village? No one wants to talk to me. Oh, finished. Finished. I'm finished. Finished.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, Mama.
Dikeh. Oh.
We were worried that you will never be well again. I found a dismissal letter from your company in your bag.
Yeah, I saw that too.
You did?
Sometimes I keep asking myself if my mother is really a witch.
Chineke, Obinna, how can you say a thing like that?
Yes. Because from the very first day I brought Ijere to this house, everything has become miserable. My life has become completely miserable. I don't know if it's because my mom doesn't like Ijere. I just can't tell. She has brought out her venom. Everything is just blocking. Nothing is going on. I don't know why she dislikes Ijere.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I believe God will still bless you again. Yes. But Obinna, come to think of it, have you asked yourself some questions?
Which questions am I asking? Is it not obvious? It's obvious.
Ngwanu, why is your wife living a better life now than you are? Why? Do you know she turned you into a houseboy in her mother's house? You were doing virtually everything. You washed the plate for them. You fetch water for them. You pound for them. You need to see yourself then. Yes. And you were even washing clothes for them. Do you know you washed a car?
They were doing all of that to help me. My mother-in-law doesn't lie to me. She personally told me that my mother is responsible for my problems. She doesn't want me to travel. Maybe because I'm her first son or something. She wants me to remain in this house with her. My mother is responsible and I believe her.
She told you that?
Of course.
Obinna, don't believe her. Do not believe her, Chacha. She wants to cause problem between you and your mother. Yes, she wants you to fight your mother. And if you believe her, they've won. Do you want them to win?
But you believe Mama.
See, I want you to take your mind off them.
No, you believe Mama.
I believe Mama now.
Have you forgotten that time we were younger, that we went to farm, that my mother said it will not rain for 1 week? Did it rain and scattered all our crops?
Obinna.
You're believing
Obinna,
that
one is different. Now how can you compare such a thing with this one?
Why won't I compare? She said it will not rain and it later rained and scattered all our crops.
I told you don't believe that they want to cause fight between you and your mother.
Even the other girl that she said she's my real wife, that she brought over to the house, that later got pregnant. Is that one still not the same thing?
Oh, child. Obina, they want to cause problem.
Or is it Mazioka for that said that one will reach 420 years? Didn't it die on top of the palm fruit at the age of 75? Did he even clock 80? Please don't provoke me. I know what I'm saying. No.
Obina, forget this thing. Just Hey, Obina, how can you say this thing now? Don't worry.
I know what I'm saying. I know. Okay, let me bring another woman over now. You see that everything will be okay for me. It's because of Ijere. Since I brought Ijere to the house, my mom has been... Mama, I want to ask you something. And I want you to be very, very sincere to me. Don't lie, you.
I will not lie.
You said you'll not lie, you.
I will not.
Okay. Mama, are you truly a witch?
What? Obinna!
Mama, it's not a matter of calling my name. Just answer me. You said you'll not lie. Are you truly a witch? Everybody knows. Everybody knows already. There's no need hiding it. Even me, I now know. Just answer me. Are you truly a witch? I will understand. Just tell me how it is. Am I not your son again? Eh? There's no need lying. Stop covering. It's open. Everybody knows it. Eh? Let's know how we do it. Let's know how we just try to. Eh? Mama, where are you going to now? I'm talking to you. Mama. 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 I'm talking to you. Why am I here? What's happening to me? Eh? Why am I still here? What is happening to me? Eh? Well, why am I not thinking straight? Well, why am I useless? What have you done to me? You just tell me. I'm your only son. I will understand. Which one do you belong? Eh? Is it the destiny killers or the blood suckers? Just tell me. Let's know what we can do to free myself. Because I'm just useless. I can't even think straight.
I do not want to curse the day you were born. I don't want to lay a curse on you either. Leave my presence.
Mama, you better think, oh. You better think. You better think.
What? How could you do a stupid thing like that? How could you call your mother a witch? Let me ask you. If she was a witch, why didn't she kill you when you were born? If she was a witch, why did she get rid of you when you were in her womb? Are you still standing there? Why are you staring at me like you see a woman? You're still standing there, Okoya? Come on, go and apologize to your mother. Looking at me like Mumu. You see a woman.
I don't know if you touch my bag. I am going back to my people. Go to your father's house. Oh, Ben,
go together now, please. Now.
Listen. Don't even try begging me. Because it will not work. My mind is made up. I am going back to my people. Go back to your father's house.
I will go
Ben,
together. I will go together.
Go.
Mama, come. Mama. 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 Mama.
How could you do a thing like that? Huh?
Uncle, it's frustration, though. It's frustration. It's frustration. I don't even know what is happening to me. It's as if rats died inside my brain. I'm not even thinking straight at all.
I wouldn't be surprised to hear that it was your in-law who deceived you. Anyway, I will see what I can do.
Uncle, please, is it not better we'll start going there now? Please.
I'm going for a meeting now. I will send for you after the meeting. Okay?
Let's go to the meeting together now.
Mazi, that is why we are here. Obinna is only a child. I don't know what came over him.
No. No! Whatever thing that came over Obinna is stupidity and madness. Listen, Obinna here stood before my own sister, his mother, and called her a witch. And you are telling me that this boy here, you do not know what came over him. I know what my sister passed through because of Obinna here. Even when the husband died, we all wanted her to remarry. But she said no. She said no because of Obinna. And now Obinna stood before his mother to call her a witch. And you are telling me that this boy, you don't know what is wrong with him.
Mazi, you know the saying that when we kill in anger, we bury for stench. Please, forgive him.
It is too late. No. My sister committed suicide yesterday.
Eh? What?
It is your making. Who's up there? Please, take this boy out of my house.
What are you saying, Uncle? Are you joking?
Leave my house now.
What are you saying, Uncle? How can you say that my mother is dead?
If you do not leave here, Jose, tell him, I will invite the youths and they will deal with you.
Serious?
Obinna.
He's serious?
Obinna, let's go!
What? Go to where? What are you saying? How can you say that my own mother is dead?
That is what you have caused. Let's go and tell the rest of Philmond now. You know, you are not going.
Stop telling me to go! Stop telling me to go! Where's my mother?
Wait for me. I am coming.
Obinna, Biakaina!
How? I want to see my mother! I don't want to know! I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere!
Obinna, let's go!
I'm not going anywhere!
Just to leave this place
Let's
now.
go! Obinna! Come again! Come again!
I thought you said you were not good.
Man, pay me the way I thought you.
I'll do my hair.
Bam!
Hey! There's a neck. I'll keep my hand like this.
I'll just put my hand like this. That'll be good.
Jay!
You're happy now, yeah? No, you guys are happy. Have you seen what you've caused? You're happy to what you've subjected me into. You're happy now.
Nam, you should be happy she left. Your life will take a new turn now.
My life will take a new turn. My mother is dead and you're telling me that my life will take a new turn.
And you say your God is not answering your prayers. You better go in there, thank your God. When you're done, you come out and thank us.
I swear. I will
never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Idiot has finally gone. I kind of feel guilty about all of this. What is that? What's the meaning of all this?
Biko. Don't come and start sounding like one coconut leaf here.
Honestly, I regret being part of this. You see what I've become of this young man.
Oh. You come here to talk rubbish, Akwea? Leave here now.
The sky is overcast. I said leave. Leave! You come here, you bring fight to my doorstep. Nonsense. Ogene, what is it? Are you crying? Let's go inside. What is wrong with you? Bini, let's go inside. You feel a bit like what? Stop crying, Ogene. Stop it. Ogene. It's okay. All for your own good.
Odi na bopunde. Eto se bi makani ya de yoba. Uva ze mi omo. A fly with loud wings thinks her mother is the mother of all flies.
I will live with this guilt for the rest of my life.
Stop it. Where are you going to? Ogene. You're just wasting your time. The battle has already been won. No! The battle has just begun. I ask you to leave. The dance of a millipede does not impress he who has seen the dance of a snake. When a child bites my head without avoiding the hair, I will bite her in the anus without avoiding excreta. Hey! 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 You are evil! Yes, I know. Isi kote bobanya. Opano poko bulu. Bunti chili. Evil woman. Onyojo. Onyojo. Onyojo.
Let me take you to a hospital, please. Mama, stop. Oh, Mama, do you want water? Nemo. Should I get you water? Mama. Mama? 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 Never! Never! Mama, let me get you water! Ah! Mama!
No, you will not kill yourself.
You can forgive me. You never forgive me. You will never forgive.
She will forgive you.
I will never forgive myself for this. Never. Never.
Calm down. This should be a lesson to you. Learn how to value your mother. You're lucky you have a kind-hearted mother. Yes, she's alive.
She's alive. You sure?
My destiny, I want to rule my destiny. God gave to me my destiny. Oh, my destiny, I want to rule my destiny. God gave to me my destiny.
What do you want from me? You have the destiny of my human host. And if you don't return it before dawn, I will take away your powers from you and make your life miserable.
I will return it. I will return it. Please.
Before dawn, I said.
Yes, I will return it.
What do you want? What do you want this time? Don't come close to me.
Go. You're a free man.
Please, I'm looking for Miss Ijere Ogono.
I'm sure. I'm she.
Oh, okay, okay. I have a letter for you. But you have to sign here for me. Yes. I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, madam. key again. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Here's the letter. Please, my barrel. Please, ma. Please.
Okay.
Ma, the head. Mama barrel. Sorry. Mama barrel.
You have been dismissed. Oh, yeah, no. For forgery of certificates. One, I have been dismissed from company for forgery of certificates. You have been dismissed for forgery from company for certificates. You have been dismissed for forgery from certificates. Oh, more. Ijele, you have been dismissed for certificate for forgery. Ijele, I think you have been dismissed for forgery from certificate. Yes. You were dismissed. You were the dismissal. Yes. From forgery for certificate.
Obi, you remember that my secondary school friend came?
Okay.
He came in Apomapo.
No, what about her?
Don't worry, if you don't remember her, I'll take you to her house. She now has a pure water company and she has agreed to employ you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow. That's very kind and thoughtful of you. Thank you so
my
much.
Obi.
Thank you. At least from there, I'll know.
Good day, all.
Good day.
Please, I'm looking for Mr. Obinna Ozondo here.
Hey. Mom.
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's good. Good day. Yeah. Please, I have a letter for you.
A letter?
Yes. Yeah, please, let me just find it. Sign here.
For what?
For your collection, please. Yes. See here again. Yeah. All right. Thanks. Thank you very much. And here's the letter. All right. I have to take my leave now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. Well, I have to take my leave.
Kedunife the email letter. Tell me what is in it?
Chigo.
Chigo.
I've been reinstated. I have been reinstated, Mama! I've been reinstated! Now! Like right now!
Open that!
What are you waiting for? Go and dress up. Hey! Let me show you, Mama. I want to rule my destiny. God gave to me